I was sent this set of copper battery terminals and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video, so here goes. Here's everything you're going to get. These are all 100% copper, and they're going to be sized from the AWG, or the American Wire Gauge size, from 6 to 8 to 10 to 12, all the way up. So you're going to get different sizes of holes here. That's going to show you, in this case here, it says SC4 on it there, 4-4, and then all the way up to the largest one here, which has got SC25-10. So these are copper. You're going to get in basically every size. You're going to get a large hole portion here and then a smaller one. So depending on the terminals you're going to connect to, you'll have the option for a small and a large across each of the different sizes. So here you've got your small on that one, and then an accompanying large size as well. So it gives you a lot of flexibility so that you can make the right connection onto your terminals without having to put any extra washers or anything else like that. So, you know, the largest size here, it's quite large. Definitely looks like a little less than a ½ inch here. And these are the kind you're going to crimp using a hammer crimp. That would work really good with these, but there's all kinds of different crimping tools that work well with copper, and these are going to make a nice tight connection on any kind of battery cable or any other kind of connection that you need for a winch or for any other accessories. These are the right kind of cable ends to use for those terminals. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. I hope this information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.